So hello dear students, so we would be discussing the next part of the chapter, that is powers, class 8th mathematics. These are some questions which I have written on the board here. These are to be solved. So let's start from the first one. Question number 1 is 1 by 2 raised to the power minus 1, 1 by 3 raised to the power minus 1, 1 by 4 raised to the power minus 1. You can make these powers positive by reversing the order here inside one. This we have already discussed the different formulae we have discussed there, so that we would be using here. Okay, now suppose if it is 1 by 2 raised to the power minus 1, you can make it positive by reversing the inside one order. We have already discussed this sort of question. Okay, so we can write this like 1 by 2 raised to the power minus 1 can be written as 2 by 1 raised to the power plus 1. Similarly, 1 by 3 raised to the power minus 3 minus 1 again can be written as 3 by 1 raised to the power plus 1. Similarly, 1 by 4 raised to the power minus 1 can be written as 4 by 1 raised to the power plus 1. It's clear to you? Very good. Now 2 by 1 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 1. So what does it mean? It means 2 raised to the power 1 divided by 1 raised to the power 1. You can write it like this. Getting this? Very good. Now 3 by 1 whole raised to the power 1 implies 3 raised to the power 1 divided by 1 raised to the power 1. So I can write it as 3 raised to the power 1, 1 raised to the power 1. Similarly, 4 by 1 whole raised to the power 1 can be written as 4 raised to the power 1 divided by 1 raised to the power 1. Like this. Okay. So now you can simplify it. You can solve it. Okay. I can solve it here. Now 2 raised to the power 1 means 2. And divide by 1 raised to the power 1 means 1. 2 by 1. It is 2 by 1 means 2. Similarly, 3 raised to the power 1 means 3. And 1 raised to the power 1 means 1. So 3 by 1 means it is 3. Similarly, 4 by 1 it is 4. So you can write the answer 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 4 9. So 9 is the answer here. Are you getting this? Very good. So this is the, now we would solve the next question here. Next question is 1 by 2 raised to the power minus 2, 1 by 3 raised to the power minus 2, 1 by 4 raised to the power minus 2. Again you can make the power positive here. Like 1 by 2 can be written as 2 by 1, the power becomes positive. Similarly, 1 by 3 can be written as 3 by 1 and the power becomes positive here. Similarly, 1 by 4 can be written as 4 by 1 and the power again becomes positive. Okay, now just solve this. 2 by 1 raised to the power 2 means what? 2 raised to the power 2 divided by 1 raised to the power 2. Plus, it implies 3 raised to the power 2 divided by 1 raised to the power 2. Similarly, here also 4 raised to the power 2 divided by 1 raised to the power 2. So 2 raised to the power 2 implies you are to multiply this 2 how many times? 2 times. 2 raised to the power 2 implies 2 multiply 2. Getting this? Very good. 2 multiply 2 divided by 1 raised to the power 2 means 1. You have to multiply this 1 2 times. 1 multiply 1. Similarly, 3 raised to the power 2 implies you have to multiply this 3 times. Similarly, downside 1 2 times. Here also 4 you have to multiply 2 times, and here also 1 2 times. So answer would be how much? 2 to the 4. Here if you see 2 to the 4 divided by 1 to 1. So 4 by 1 would be 4. Plus 3 to the 9 divided by 1 would be 9. Similarly, 4 4 to 16 by 1 would be 16. So answer it how much now? 16 plus 9 plus 4 would be 29. So 29 is the answer. Okay. So just solve this also. Now there's the next question which you have to solve. 2 raised to the power minus 1, that you would be using the formula number first that we have already discussed. If a raised to the power minus n can be written as 1 by a raised to the power plus n. So I can write this as 1 by 2 raised to the power 1. Are you getting this? Similarly, this also, if you want to make this power positive, write it 1 by 4 raised to the power 1. Again multiplied by 2 raised to the power minus 2 means 1 by 2 raised to the power plus 2. Just solve it now. 1 by 2 raised to the power 1 means 2. because you have to multiply 2 only one time, so it is 2. So you can write it as 1 by 2 multiply 1 by 4, again multiply 1 by 2 raised the power 2 means you have to multiply 2 times. 2 multiply 2, so it would be 4 again. So answer is how much? 1 1 ja 1 1 ja 1 divided by 2 4 ja 8 and 8 4 ja 32. So 1 by 32 is the answer here. So next question is here. 5 raised to the power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 5 raised to the power plus 1. Similarly this also, this question you have to do on your own. This is for you, which you have to solve. Okay, just note this question down, and this you have to solve on your own. Note this down. Now if you see here, we have some new questions. The question number 1 is it is 4 raised to the power minus 1. If it is visible to you, let me write it somewhat downside here. It is 5th question, so you have to write here 4 raised to the power minus 1 and 3 raised to the power minus 1 whole raised to the power 2. Is it visible to you? Very good. Okay, now just solve this. Okay, now how to solve this in question? I would make this powers positive first. So how to make? 4 raised to the power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 4 raised to the power 1 plus 1. Similarly, 3 raised to the power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 3 raised to the power plus 1, then whole raised to the power 2 there. Okay, so now just solve this. Just solve this. Very good. Okay, now 1 by 4 raised to the power 1 implies 4 raised to the power 1 means we have to multiply 4 only once. So 1 by 4 would remain as 1 by 4. Multiply 1 by 3 raised to the power 1 is 1 by 3 whole raised to the power 2. Okay, so can be written as, now look here, 1 into 1 would be 1. Similarly, 4 into 3 would be 12 here. So it would be 1 by 12. Again, whole raised to the power 2 there. So now what does it mean? 1 by 12 whole raised to the power 2 means 1 raised to the power 2 divided by 12 raised to the power 2 again. Okay? And 1 raised to the power 2 means you have to multiply 1 2 times. And downside 12 raised to the power 2 means you have to multiply 12 2 times. Okay? So if it is 3 here, then you have to multiply 12 3 times. If it is 4 here, then you have to multiply 12 4 times. Okay? And so on and so forth. Okay? So now 1 raised to the power 2 means 1 multiply 1, and 12 raised to the power 2 means 12 multiply 12. So can be written as 1 1 ja 1, and 12 multiply 12 is 144. So this is the answer here. Okay? So this is how you would solve the question. Similarly, this question also. 5 raised to the power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 5 raised to the power plus 1. Similarly, this also. Then whole raised to the power 3 here. If it is whole raised to the power 3, then you would multiply this 3 times, this also 3 times, you would get your answer. Okay. Similarly, the next question also. This I am doing here. Okay. Just can be written as 2 raised to the power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 2 raised to the power 1 multiply 1 raised to the power 3 raised to the power 1, then again whole raised to the power minus 1. Okay, now just solve this. It is 1 by 2 because 2 raised to the power 1 is 2, and it is 1 by 3 because 3 raised to the power 1 is 3. So 1 by 2 multiply 1 by 3. So 1 1 ja 1 and 2 3 ja 6. Again whole raised to the power minus 1. But outside the power is minus 1. This minus 1 can again be positive if I reverse the inside one order. So 1 by 6, if I write this 1 by 6 as 6 by 1. If I write 1 by 6 as 6 by 1, so the power would become here positive. Are you getting this? Now 6 by 1 means 6. 6 raised to the power 1 it is. So 6 raised to the power 1 is 6. So this is the answer here. Are you getting this? So similarly, you would solve this one question also. 3 raised to the power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 3, then 1 by 4, again whole to the power minus 1, then again you make it positive, you would get some answer. Then whatever the answer you are getting out of here, then you would multiply this by 5 raised to the power minus 1 means 1 by 5. You would write this as 1 by 5 raised to the power 1. This question also you have to solve on your own. Okay, just note these questions down, then we will be doing some new questions here. Now here are some new questions for you. Question number 9 is 3 raised to the power 2 plus 2 raised to the power 2 multiply 1 by 2 whole raised to the power 3. Okay, so how to solve? It's very easy. Okay, you can solve this on your own. This 3 raised to the power 2 is how much? Can you tell me? 3 raised the power 2 means you have to multiply this 3 2 times. 3 multiply 3. 2 times you have to multiply. Because power is 2, so 2 times. Power is 3, multiply 3 times. Power is 4, multiply 4 times. And so on and so forth. Okay. So 3 raised the power 2 is 3 multiply 3. So answer is 9 plus. 2 raised the power 2 implies 2 multiply 2. So answer would be 4 here. Okay. Similarly, here also. 1 by 2 whole raised the power 3. It implies 1 raised the power 3 divided by 2 raised the power 3. Getting this? Very good. So 9 plus 4 is how much? 13 multiply. 1 raised the power 3 means 1 multiply 1 multiply 1. Answer is 1. Similarly, if 2 raised the power 3 implies how much? 2 raised the power 3 means 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. 3 times you have to multiply these 2. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. This is how you have to solve this question. So answer would be how much? This you multiply upside. 13 1 ja 13. Getting this? This would be multiply upside. 13 1 ja 13 divided by 2 to the 4 and 4 to the 8. So answer is 13 by 8. This would be the answer. Okay. Similarly, you have to solve this one question also. 3 raised the power 2 minus 2 raised the power 2. 3 raised the power 2 implies 9. Minus 2 raised the power 2 is 4. Subtract this, multiply. This you can make positive by reversing the inside of this can be written as 3 by 2 raised the power 3. Then again just bifurcate it. 3 raised the power 3 by 2 raised the power 2. Similar to the previous one question. This also you have to do on your own. Okay. Now let's solve this one question. Some tricky one. Now look here. Let me solve this here. 1 by 3 whole raised the power minus 3 here. So I can make this power positive if I reverse the inside one. So I can write it 3 by 1 whole raised the power plus 3. 3 by 1 whole raised the power plus 3. Similarly here, 2 by 1 whole raised the power plus 3 again, divided by, I can write this as also 4 by 1 whole raised the power plus 3. Getting this? Very good. Just now you can solve this. 3 by 1 whole raised the power 3 implies what? It implies 3 raised the power 3 divided by 1 raised the power 3. Getting this? It implies 3 raised the power 3 divided by 1 raised the power 3 minus 2 raised the power 3 divided by 1 raised to the power 3. Sorry. Okay. So we have opened the bracket here. This square bracket would left here now. Divided by 4 raised the power 3 divided by 1 raised the power 3. Are you getting this? Very good. Now we can solve this. How to solve? Just look here now. 3 raised the power 3 implies 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. 3 times you have to multiply 3. 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. So it would be 27. So it would be 27 divided by 1 raised the power 3 means 1 1 ja 1 1 ja 1. So answer is 1. So 27 by 1 can be written as 27 alone. Okay. Similarly, minus 2 raised the power 3. So 3 times you have to multiply 2. 2 to the 4 to the 8. 3 times you have to multiply 2. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. So it will be 8. So 8 by 1 raised the power 3 is 1. So 8 by 1 means 8. Are you getting this? Then again divided by. This division can be changed into multiplication, that you must be knowing. We have done it in previous questions there. So if I change this into multiplication 1, so I would have to reverse this one order. So this 1 raised to the power 3 would go up and 4 raised to the power 3 would come down there. Are you getting this? Very good. If I am reversing the order here, this division 1 can be changed into multiplication. So I would have to reverse this one order. Okay. So we have the answer now. If you see, look, 27 minus 8 is how much? I think it is 19. Very good. Yeah, 19. 19 multiply. 1 raised to the power 3 is 1 and 4 raised to the power 3 means 4 multiply 4 multiply 4. 4 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64. So answer would be how much? 19 1 ja 19. This you have to multiply up. 19 1 ja 19 by 64. So this is how you would solve the question here. Okay. So just solve this. Now the last question is before you. You can do this on your own. 2 raised to the power 2 is 4. 3 raised to the power 2 means 3 multiply 3, that is 9. 4 raised to the power 2, that is 4, 4 just 16. Okay, yeah. So this you first add, then subtract. You would be opening the bracket, then you reverse this order. So this can be written as 3 raised to the power 3 divided by 2 raised to the power 3. Just reverse this, would be changed. That you have to solve on your own. You can solve this. Okay, that's all for today. Would be discussing some new questions in the upcoming videos. Till then, stay tuned and keep watching. Thank you. Have a good day.